God, it is so hot out here. The sun sucks.
The sun sucks.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be another Mustang video. The last Mustang video, we did some fat new big brakes on the front of this car, 14-inch GT500 rotors and 4-piston calipers that are kind of knockoff Brembos. Anyway, link in the description below. You can check out the video. Really good information. You can accomplish it if you catch everything on sale like I did for under 300 bucks. So what we're going to be doing today, you've seen in one of the videos that I painted my 2013 GT rear bumper with GT500 lower diffuser. We are going to go ahead and swap that on today. Hopefully it kind of goes seamlessly because I've got a car meet tonight. So go ahead, do me a big favor, click that big red subscribe button down there. We're now 3,000 strong, on our way to 4,000. Hit that thumbs up button, and also head over to my Instagram, give it a follow. Let's hop in the car here. I'm going to give you a nice cold start. Pipes, off-road X pipe, and this is Dynamax Bullet mufflers on a first gen Coyote. All right, guys, got the car moved kind of into the garage just because, like I said, it is way too freaking hot out there to be doing anything outside right now. Kick this light on. Want to give you a sneak peek of something that you will probably, I'd say this video will come out before this one. This is the new headlights and lenses for the Corvette. If you've seen them before in the last videos, they were horrible lenses. Bezels were orange. We won't talk about those right now, but a sneak peek, things to come. So I'm gonna go ahead, set you guys up. We're gonna get these taillights out, get this rear bumper off, and get the new bumper put on with the 2013 taillights, hopefully in a timely manner. All right, guys, we got both the taillights out each side. The only thing holding these things in is 3 11mm nuts that's on both sides, and that little plug that is right there kind of gets pulled through with the taillights because that is part of the taillight harness. So now that we got those out, we need to go ahead and move on to the bumper. We are going to be taking off all 3 of these. I think they're Phillips, if I'm not mistaken, on both sides, and then I think we have some bolts underneath it, and I'm pretty sure that everything up here is just held on by clips, and you have to unplug your side marker lights. All right, guys, so we got the rear bumper off. That was one of the easier rear bumpers that I've ever taken off. You have 3 Phillips head screws that goes here, here, and here. Same for the other side. Underneath, you just have a couple of these plastic tabs, and you have 2 of these plastic tabs, and that holds the rear diffuser down. Then pretty much everything else literally is just clips everywhere. I heard that this bracket is different, so I'm really hoping that it works on our new bumper. I don't know that for sure, but I guess we're about to find out. I guess if I have to, I can just throw this bumper back on, run it until I get the brackets in. But I also heard that you didn't need the brackets. There's only one way to find out, and that is to grab our new bumper and put it up on there. All right, guys, so we've got the new rear bumper on. It fit amazing. It looks good. luckily my paint job came out pretty good and matches. Now, one of the big issues you're gonna have is you need to get the 2013 bumper foam because the 2012 will not fit under the bumper. So I wanted to test fit it. It fits good. So now I need to pull the harness off of this one and swap it over to the new one. All right, guys, so we got the new bumper switched over. It is absolutely filthy. Still have to wipe it down, but everything is now clipped into place. I just need to put the 3 screws back in the wheel wells, and I need to push the push tabs in on the lower diffuser. Now, things that are different from the 2012, 2013 rear bumpers that you need to take note of. Your harness that goes from your rear marker lights to your license plate lights, and the harness that goes into your trunk does not have the same clips to attach it or areas to attach it on the rear bumper, so you kind of have to get a little bit creative with that. The marker lights from the 2012 bumper do fit the 2013 bumper. The tabs from the 2012 bumper fit the 2013 bumper. The mounting points for the 2012 to 2013 rear bumper, you do not need these other brackets. The bumper fits right into the 2012 brackets. So the biggest difference in the 2012 and 2013 bumper is that harness. You just don't have anywhere to mount it, and you cannot run the 2012 bumper foam with the 2013 bumper. So I'm gonna order that so I can get bumper foam in there. I like to have, if it came OEM, I like to keep it OEM. I'm going to order that bumper foam just so I don't have any issues. Crash bar is the same, but the bumper foam is different, so I'm gonna go ahead and order that. So the next thing we're gonna do is the grand finale of this, and that is the 2013 tail lights. So I'm gonna zip in the screws and the push tabs for this rear bumper, and then we can put on the 2013 tail lights, which I'm so stoked to get in. Guys, I can't quit smiling at how much better this car looks. All right, I'm just gonna show you. I mean, it's not a big deal to you. You've seen 2013 GTs with GT500 lower valence, but I haven't seen it on my car. That looks so much better than the 2012 rear. So I'm gonna be on the hunt for some quad tips. That will be the next thing that I do to the rear of the car. And I'm also gonna do the smooth deck lid as well, just because I don't like this thing sticking out. So guys, if this video helped you out, as always, smash that thumbs up button. Go down below the video and hit that big red subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 4,000 subscribers. We just hit 3,000 and it's growing pretty quick now. So guys, if you wouldn't care to help me out, smash that red subscribe button. But just like always, I will see you guys on the next video.